Recuerdo, por favor. Yo estoy muy inteligente. Tú eres muy estúpido.
Arriba!
And I will make it a top priority in my first year as president, not only because we have an obligation to secure our borders and get control of who comes in.
And I want everyone, American and Mexican, to know my administration is taking a very close look at the Arizona law.
And those are the kinds of issues that I think we have to take into consideration as we look at the law. But I want the American people to know that, right or wrong, the decisions that I make are based on the facts.
Have you read the Arizona law?
I have not had a chance to. I've glanced at it. I have not read it.
Have you read the Arizona law?
I think that law is an unfortunate one.
Have you read the Arizona law?
Well, that's not what this Attorney General is about.
Have you read the Arizona law?
The concern I have about the law that they have passed is that I think it has the possibility of leading to racial profiling.
I haven't read the law. Do you have an opinion as to whether it's constitutional?
I've not been briefed yet.
I might ask, have you had a chance to review the new law that was passed by the state of Arizona?
I've not reviewed it in detail. I certainly know of it, Senator. I certainly know of it, Senator. I certainly know of it, Senator. The fact of the matter is that the border is as secure now as it's ever been.
Have you read the Arizona law?
I strongly disagree with the recently adopted law in Arizona. It is a law
oppose firmly the SB 1070 Arizona law.
Have you read the Arizona law?
If you don't have your papers and you took your kid out to get ice cream, you're going to be harassed. That's something that could potentially happen. That's not the right way to go.
Have you read the Arizona law?
With my tint of skin, they are going to be subject to criminalization just because of that, all because of personal appearance. And that's not right.
Have you read the Arizona law?
By targeting people of color in general, it's a racist piece of legislation that should not exist.
If this was Texas, which is a state that is directly on the border with Mexico, and they were calling for a measure like this, saying that they had a major issue with, with undocumented people flooding their borders, I would say I would have to look twice at this. But this is a state that is a ways removed from the border, and
have you read the Arizona law?
I think it's a result of a bunch of bigots in the Republican Party of Arizona, and it makes the rest of us look bad as Americans.
I think we should have strong border security. It doesn't make sense for us to allow hundreds of thousands of people coming through our borders without us knowing who they are. Oftentimes in very hazardous situations and unmonitored situations that could do us long-term damage.
And we all know what happens in Arizona when you don't have ID. Adios, amigos.
¿Dónde está pistolas? No recuerdo. El gobierno say, adiós, pistolas.